Hello, let me show you all display settings that you can find on POCO C75. So for sure, we can find them in the standard settings, and here they are. They are called the display and brightness. And first of all, we can find here the dark mode and the dark mode options. So we can set the dark mode from sunset to sunrise and also force specific apps to run in the dark mode. Right here, we can find the screen adjustment, the screen brightness adjustment, with automatic brightness and with the silent mode. We can also change the screen colors, and below we can even change the color temperature. Right here we can find the blue light filter with additional options, like you can add texture right here or remove some colors. So we can get, for example, the black and white screen. You can also turn it on as a schedule. And right here you can find refresh rate option. You can get default or 60 or 120 Hz. And in this place you can also change your font style. So you'll be redirected into this HyperRes store where you can actually purchase or download free fonts. And you can also change font size.